It's Rooster here from East Coast Power Sports Adventures. So I'm just out in the homestead messing around, and Brack gives me a call to say he's got a bunch of new shipment coming. So I'm headed in to check that footage, and maybe there's something I can put together in a video. Check it out.
What in the history of us makes you think that I wouldn't drive the four-wheel?
Delivery day at Torque. Oh my goodness, isn't that pretty, guys? Look at that, a big old tractor trailer full of fun. Woohoo! Wow. Wow. Our boy over there, Josh, he gets to unload it all today too. Yeah, have fun, buddy.
Okay guys, it's Rooster. So as usual, Brack's standing there watching somebody else do all the work. So that's pretty typical. You can see a whole load here that's getting unloaded for Torque Motorsports in Moncton. Some fancy stuff in the crates. I guess we'll have to go inside and take a look around the showroom, and maybe we can guess what's in the crate. But we will do some uncrating videos soon, so hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, hit the like, and you'll get notified when those videos pop, because we're gonna break those crates open and have a look, and it'll be exciting and fun. Again, I'd like to thank Jen Landry and the Torque Motorsports Moncton team for their constant support. We're not sponsored, but they keep letting us come play in their backyard, so thanks. Enjoy the video. Let me know what you guys think. I'm new at this, so let me know what you thought of it down in the comments. Enjoy.